So this is my WebGPU version of my graphics library PyNGL, and what you can see here is it running in real time, obviously in a PySide widget. What I've been working on today is the ability to do exactly the same thing, but now we're doing this within Marimo. So what I've got here is I've generated my own custom back-end RGBA widget, which is based on Marimo Any widget. This is more or less the same code. It's very hacky at the moment and needs to be sort of generated better. But as you can see here, this is doing lots and lots of NumPy buffer stuff. It's rendering a frame directly with WebGPU. And then what I've got here are some buttons that I can generate. So first I can generate my WebGPU scene. So what this is going to do is generate the scene there. And then I've got some buttons here where I can click on that. And as you can see, I can toggle the animation and run through. So this is generating more or less the same thing I've got running in my other bit. So very much work in progress. It's going to take a lot longer. What I intend to do is have some nice interactive widgets in here in Marimo so that I can demonstrate some graphic principles quite easily. So I'm going to write a lot of this code here is going to be turned into a base class, and eventually all I'll need to do is set up a few initial things. So I initialize my buffers as I need them, initialize my pipeline as I need them, and then I can just say render this frame and so on. And you can see there in particular it's nice that we can just sort of interact directly, so we can change some parameters and have some fun. So yeah, no, I'm quite impressed with what you can do with Marimo.